Hello everybody, now let me introduce our most powerful battery booster for you, okay? How to use it? First of all, you take off the red lamp to connect to the positive pole and the black lamp to connect to the negative pole, and it will be automatically detected the voltage of your vehicle, either 12 voltage or 24 voltage. And if it happens that your vehicle, your 12 voltage vehicle voltage is just less than 4 voltage, or your 24 voltage vehicle is less than 17.5 voltage, then you need an FM don't start button to help you set the voltage before you jump start the vehicle. So first of all, let me show you how to use it. You press one time, one click to activate it, and then you press again to move to 12 voltage, and you long press for a few seconds to lock the 12 voltage. Now the voltage is low, you can jump start your vehicle with low voltage battery. Thank you.